How to hide Instagram following and followers list. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different icons. Click on the profile icon given at the bottom right corner. In this page, you're gonna find the followers and following list. Now how to hide it. Right now within Instagram, there is no such feature to hide following and followers list. So what you can do is set it to private. For that, click on three bars. Scroll down, head towards the option of account privacy. Now toggle on for this option, private account. Now only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos. This won't change who can message, tag or mention you, but won't be able to tag people who don't follow you. No one can reuse your content. All reels, posts and stories that previously use your content in features such as remixes, sequences, templates or stickers will be deleted. Click on this option, switch to private. With that, you will be good to go. Now only your followers list will be able to see your followings and followers list. So right now, this is the way to hide Instagram following and followers list. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.